Let's look inside the mind of Sean Payton's play calling a little bit here. This is the play right before the Saints scored their touchdown, and you'll see Alvin Kamara flank to the boundary, and Tayshaun Gibson's going to come up and kind of charge down on his route. I don't know if he had him in man, what the Bears are assigning him to do. So watch that real quick. Watch how Gibson kind of jumps down right here. When he sees Kamara flash out, there'll be a big hole behind him. All right, it was an incomplete pass, but it kind of goes inside the mind of Sean Payton. Maybe he saw something. He wants to do it again. So as we fast forward, let's get a quick play diagram for you if it still shows up. Okay, so this is the touchdown scoring play. They'll move Cook over here, and the Saints will be in trips formation like what the Rams do. The Z receiver will run a 10 corner to kind of pull Tayshaun Gibson over this way, and Kamara will come out and kind of hold Gibson down here. That way, the Saints have an opening here. This side, they're going to run basically a dig and a post. That concept is known as the Mills concept that Spurrier made famous in Florida. So let's check out the actual play. Screen will have Carr and man and take him. And Johnson and Jackson will have these two guys basically to themselves. Now Jackson has got to take him as the vertical threat. Jackson can't sit back and play the middle of the field. He has to take him, and this is the right call with the right play. Johnson has to play back in quarters and leaves a wide open catch for Jared Cook.